Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a bike check of my BMX. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Please enjoy. This is my BMX bike from Cult Crew. I ride the Cult Gateway Model D from 2015. I haven't changed much about the bike. Most parts are still from the original. The frame of the bike has a 20.5 inch top tube and integrated head tube. The head tube, top tube and down tube are all three made of chromoly, so the frame is pretty heavy. The bike has a 1/8 inch fork with a chromoly steerer tube. The fork can fit 2.40 inch wide tires, so it can fit almost any tires. The bike has a 2-piece aluminium bar with 8.75 inch rise and the bars are 29 inches wide. The bike has a Cult Salvation stem. It's a top-load stem that is made of a forked alloy construction and has a 50mm reach, 32mm rise and 33mm stack. The bike's headset is made of an integrated sealed bearing. The bearing is sealed, which means that dirt can't easily enter the headset. The lever of the bike is made out of alloy. It has an alloy 990 U-brake and the brake mount is made out of welded 990s. The bike has 170mm heat-treated chromoly 3-piece cranks and Cult nylon pedals, so they are very strong and durable. The bike has a 25-teeth Cult member sprocket. The bike's rear hub is an alloy sealed cassette with a 1-piece 9-to 40mm driver. The bike has an alloy sealed front hub with a 3/8 inch axle. Both the front and the rear rim are made of 36H alloy and have single wall rims. The bike has a Cult padded 1-piece seat combo and the seat clamp is made of alloy and is 28.6mm. Both the back and the front tire of the bike are 2.3 inches wide Cult street tires. I ride the Shadow Interlock 2 chain from the Shadow Conspiracy in the color Dead Red. It's a steel halving chain with an inner width of 1/8 inch. I ride the Cult X-Vans grips in the color black with the Cult X-Vans nylon bar ends. The grips are 150mm long and 31.5mm in diameter. I ride the Kink Universal rear hubguard. It's a slide-on rear drive-side hubguard made of heat-treated chromoly steel with an inner hole of 14mm. It also has some kind of pin which prevents it from spinning. I ride the Akelet Servo Universal front hubguard. It's a slide-on front hubguard from Akelet BMX made out of 4140 chromoly with an inner hole of 10mm, a thickness of 1.8mm at inner hole, 3mm at outer edge and a diameter of 60mm. I ride two Odyssey M-Pack 4 packs. The packs are made out of 140 chromoly and are 102mm long, have a diameter of 35mm and an axle hole of 14mm with an adapter for 10mm axles. So this is a parts list of all the parts that I ride and the price of it. The total price of my BMX bike is €613.65 and the total weight is around 12 kilograms. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Also make sure that you turn on post notifications so you get notified every time I upload a video. Also make sure that you follow me on Instagram at stunboy2002 for daily skate videos and on my second Instagram account at skatespots.nl for daily skate spots with description and location. Thank you for watching.